Aloha and welcome. We are recording now. Welcome to the 105-day elements purification meditation. Just give it one more minute, see if anybody else shows up on the live feed. A lot of people show up recorded. Everyone's welcome. And I get more emails than most saying that they're going to watch the recorded because of the time zone. So I welcome everyone. Thank you so much for participating wherever you are around the globe, because it's really a valuable, wonderful meditation for somebody to repeat over and over again, whatever your lifestyle is. It's easy, it's practice, user friendly. So the intention that we're gathering here on a collective energy for 105 days is that this meditation will give you a clean bill of health. It will correct chemical imbalances. And it takes 21 days to release each element on a cellular level. So we'll be working together on one element for 21 days. We're going to start and end each session that we have here with an element. So today we'll be with earth element. So we're going to start earth element together. And in 21 days, we will end earth element together in the next session we gather and begin the next element. So that's how this works. And we'll be doing that times 6. So in today's program and all of the other 6 programs, we're going to go step by step by step. Hopefully you received the PDF. If you did not, it will be available in the portal if you need that. And so will a copy of this recording, as I mentioned, because I know a lot of you are already anticipating the recording based on time zone. So we go step by step together. We'll again start each element, and then in 21 days we'll finish each element. So today is day 1. If you have any questions at any time, feel free to type in the chat box Q question in the question, or you can just email me and I'll address all the questions in the beginning of each Zoom. And as an overall, for those of you who are brand new to meditation, personally, my intention for you and for anybody who is just looking for a source of self-discipline, and this little practice is a nice source of self-discipline to get us started. Someplace we just need a box to stand on, to follow directions over and over and over and over again before we can get to the next thing. And so this for me is that for you. I really want that. And then in results, you're going to have wonderful results. I promise. I get a lot of really cool feedback. So I look forward to hearing your feedback. And at the Zoom 6, the completion Zoom, for those of you who are remote, if you are able to join the live Zoom at 5:15 Pacific time here in California time, we will open up the Zoom and you can share your results, or you can email me those results or your information, and I'll share those at that Zoom 6. Okay, so I just wanted to give some, as they call it, house cleaning or something like that. There's a term. And I'm going to go ahead and share. Give me one moment. Here we go. And hopefully everyone's able to see this appropriately. and it's large enough. Let's see if I can make it a little larger. So, welcome to the Earth Element! Dun 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 dun. This is day one. Day one of the rest of your life, 105 days. Here we go. We are beginning. So I have, for those of you who are repeating this program, I know you're like, what? I don't recognize that slide. Because for the last 4 years, for those of you who are new to the program, people who are older to the program, for the last 4 years, I've been using the same slide deck. And I just needed to freshen up. I knew this was a big year. This is a final year of 2025 where it's all about elevating the vibe. And so I wanted a fresh slide deck. So yes, it's a fresh slide deck. So welcome to the new year. We have day one at Earth Element. And I just want to show that this new slide deck has this really cool image off to the left. And why is this so cool? Because I'm all about measuring results. And again, this is about you doing the work after we get together here on day one, and then you're going to do the work for the next 20 days on your own. So sometimes you just need that little checkbox. You just need an oxytocin boost, the star on your calendar that you did good at the end of the week like we used to when we were kids. And here it is. We have a really cool calendar off to the left. There's element 1, and see all those little white dots? There's 21 of them. That shows you that when you've completed the element meditation for that day, 10-15 minutes, you can cross off your little bubble. It gives you a nice little boost. So you can measure results. You don't have to participate. I just want to give you tools and resources to make it easy for you and fun. So welcome to the Earth Element. It's 105 days element purification. You have a nice resource to measure your 21 days. We're going to commit 10 to 15 minutes a day maximum. You don't have to go more than that. Breath is the connection between spirit and body. Purification and correct breath are essential. When doing each element, breathe only that element. So we'll be working on the Earth Element for 21 days only. Breathing in the positive, out the negative. And then this purifies the element within you. For the next 21 days, day 1 through 21, the focus is really about standing on the earth with your back against the tree or hands in the soil. So I have one of these little teeny pots. Sometimes I stick my finger in the soil. It's just a little pot, a little thing. You could be outside. You could put your feet in there. I have a rock. You can hold on to the rock. You just really want to think about having your focus being solid, repeating the qualities of the earth element and connecting that represents earth within you. So the focus is on being solid, rooted from the earth, foundations of life, strong, ever-changing earth element. And I'm going to repeat these again. We're going to be meditating together again. So again, I'm just reviewing the entire slide deck, and then we'll repeat these together as a group. So the expressions we'll have in our head: I am earth, I am solid, I am rooted, I am persistent, I am grounded, I am strong, I need to stand in my own power. Any combination, any grouping, a few of the words that connect to your consciousness and earth. It's really about that for you. We'll be breathing in with the nose and out with the nose for earth element. The qualities of this element are endurance, patience, and humility. The color focus of earth, black, brown, green. Musical notes are E and G. However, for our meditation practice for this element and all future elements, we'll use Om, Om, and that encompasses all the notes. The human value of earth, right action. I am the human value of right action. Dharma is another word of right action, Sanskrit, dharma. The platonic solid is a hexahedron, which is this image right here. When we combine the color, the black, brown, and green in this case, plus the musical note of Om, it will create a wave of manifestation. So at the end of each meditation, each day, we will Om, and we will practice today. The earth element, again, is focusing on days 1 through 21. We will do one element for 21 days, and then we'll start another element together. When we do 5 elements times 21 days, it equals 105 days. Here's the trick. Fine print always at the bottom of the page. If we miss one day, you must start all the way back at day 1. Well, we're at day 1 today. Very cool. But if you're at day 100, you don't want to start back at day 1. That means all the other elements. So the idea is you need to stack 21 days, each cellular clearing of each element for 21 days continuously for 105 days for this program to work with the way that it says it works. And if you do it 3 times in a row or 3 times consecutively, you will definitely notice. I definitely notice after doing it. This is my 6th year doing it continually twice a year. So again, if you miss one day, you have to start over at day 1. I just wanted to give a shout out to Derek O'Neill. He's the one that developed, and I was initiated by Derek back in 2015 in Ireland. You can reach him in Ireland at dereko'neill.com or at Creakin Wellness Center. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at any time, andy@andygirl.com. You just type in question 105-day meditation. I will email you and or address your question to the rest of the group, because if you have a question, that means everyone has a question. And that's what's great about always having a beginner mind. And this is really programmed for beginners. So I'm going to scroll back up towards the top so we can get to a nice, and we'll meditate for a good 5 minutes together, and we'll practice. So this is how I like to go. So I'm going to roll back up to the top. Now just get comfortable. And remember, if you are in a place of standing on the earth, if you're outside right now, for those of you on the remote world, or I don't see you in my vision, if you're standing on the earth with your back against a tree, maybe you have a hands, soil, rocks, your focus is really thinking about the earth element, bare feet, nice feeling that energy of being rooted. The elements and qualities of this element are endurance, patience, and humility. The breath is vital. We really want to practice the breath the entire time. For earth element, we're going to breathe in with the nose, out with the nose. In with the nose, out with the nose. Endurance, patience, and humility with the color focus of black, brown, and green. The expressions we'll say in our head, breathing in with your nose and out with your nose. I am earth. I am solid. I am persistent. I am rooted. I am grounded. I need to stand in my own power. I am strong. In with your nose, out with your nose. I am persistent. I am earth. In with the nose, out with the nose. I am rooted. I am solid. I am strong. I am grounded. I need to stand in my own power. In with the nose, out with the nose. I am earth. I am rooted. I am strong. I am grounded. In with the nose, out with the nose. I am persistent. I am solid. In with the nose, out with the nose. I need to stand in my own power. In with the nose, out with the nose. Endurance, patience, and humility. Let's together meditate for the next few minutes in the element of earth. In with the nose, out with the nose. Breathing in with the nose, out with the nose. Surrounding yourself with the colors of black, brown, and green. Take a deep breath in and exhale out in a nice big Om. Two more times. Deep breath in. Surrounding yourself with the colors of black, brown, and green. Inhale. Yay, congratulations. Yeah. Congratulations, day one. Woo, 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 woo. All right. So that's a taste. Everything is in the PDFs that you have. Everything that we just saw in these slides are in a one-page PDF. Should be on your email. If it's not on the email that you get, let me know. I'll email it to you. It's also available in your portal. A copy of this video will also be available in your portal, along with bonus sound baths. The sound baths are linked to each element. You can focus on each element. So it's 10 minutes for the earth element. You play that. You focus on your colors. You've got all your earth expressions to say in your head. I am earth, I am grounded, I am strong, breathing in with the nose, out with the nose. You're going to find yourself doing this little pattern and rhythm all over your house. You're going to be doing laundry. You're going to be in the shower. You're going to be in traffic, breathing in with the nose, out with the nose. I am earth, I am strong. You're gonna get into it, and then the 10 minutes adds up, really. And at some point, when you actually sit down for the 10 minutes, that you think, oh, it goes really fast. And once you get into a nice habit and a rhythm, it's fabulous. It really is a great, easy to use meditation. I believe in you. We are on day one. We're in focusing an element for the next 20 days. I will see you on day 21, where we will complete this element and begin the next one. You reach out if you have any questions. I believe in you. Happy meditation. Elevate the vibe in 2025. Namaste.